So first let's add the title. We need to go make onboarding post right here. And you can copy that as well. So you need to
I'm
make the
just screen,
post
so I need to go here and then go to
and
my
then
about.
so just you need to either write a new post. If you go to this right here, and then we're going to unpin one of these. Don't press hide though. Don't press hide. It's impossible to find it if you press hide. Just click on one of them and then yeah, unpin. So now just copy and paste that from what he made. And I like that he used a
Because he has like a poll set up there. He's got questions. How much are we copying? You know what I mean? On
copy
that
all of it.
post.
Copy all of it. If something doesn't work, we'll tweak it.
Okay.
But for
Because
now, it's just let's just get like the 80% copied and put in there. And then also the links, discover how to unlock all the we can link that ourselves. But yeah, let's see.
do I click publish on this or do we need to add more or add a poll? I mean, because he put a poll.
I like the way it looks.
Okay, this is ready to click post, but this step two link takes you to, doesn't even click. I don't think I clicked it.
So to edit that, you need to just delete it entirely, and then we will link it. So yeah, just delete it entirely.
And then I could just say check out the classroom and then link that page.
Yes, don't do that yet. I'm going to show you a cool trick on your about page as well. But you need to just type in step two, discover or discover how to unlock. And then after you type it in, we'll highlight it and then highlight it all and then click the link down here.
Oh, and then link that, click post or save.
Post, yeah, post. Oh, also select a category and then add a GIF as well. Introduce
Um,
yourself. Yeah, I would say
add a
introduce
GIF
yourself.
first or
No,
no?
I select introduce yourself and then add a GIF. You can add a GIF even after you post it, but I just did onboarding and or like sailing, and that's how I found that sailing GIF.
Get
I
started.
oh, I like that. That's cool. I like that. That fits for your vibe.
Yes, sir.
And then post. And then pin to feed and pin to module. And then the module is which one was it for you? I forget.
Oh, welcome for now.
Wait, did we make the module yet?
Yeah, it's down here.
Unlock every or read this first. So go back to the tab, the other tab, and then type in read this first. There it is.
Whoa, whoa,
Nice.
whoa. I did not know that that was happening.
Let's
That's
go. Let's
lit.
go. Okay. So imagine if this is all you had right off the start. Oh, scroll up a little bit. Scroll up. New set. Never leave that as new set. There's
Did that.
the winners of the Skool
Delete
games.
that.
No. Edit set. Edit set. Never delete set.
Unpublish.
No. Just change the name from new set to whatever Stefan Pope called his. He
Let's
called
see.
it actually he didn't even have a set. So cancel. There's another step process that we have to do. So click the three dots right here and then change set and then no set. Click the drop down and then none. And now you can delete this set. There we go. See, there's like those little tweaks that you
Scary.
got to do.
That was a big one.
So maybe I should teach people how to like that they should make like two. So that way when they inevitably delete the one that they just worked really hard on,
For real.
they can find it. I might tell people to do that. Okay, so sick. That's awesome. Add an emoji to the title.
How am I gonna do that on my computer?
Windows key and period or Windows key plus period. I think that's how you do it. I'm not sure though. There is a shortcut and it's yeah. Oh, hell yes, you did it. Perfect. Okay.
Damn, you know your shit.
I had to look it up when someone joined and I was trying to help them
Sparkles.
do this. Ooh, I like that. That's awesome.